Buzz. That's it. You've just finished your crochet bee. Take a second to look at it, fix any little details, and be proud of yourself. You started with just yarn, and now you made something completely of your own. We're going to be crocheting this little cute bee. It's a super easy, beginner-friendly tutorial. You can make this as a little decoration, a little toy for kids, or anything you can honestly want. I'll be walking you through each step nice and easy so you can follow along no matter your skill level. If you enjoy crochet tutorials like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support my channel. It really helps me out. Before we get started, make sure you have all the materials ready. You'll need some black yarn. This is a really good yarn. It is very soft and very, very beginner friendly. This one too, it's the same thing. And then you're going to be needing a hook that matches with your yarn, a yarn needle, and your yarn scissors. And don't forget, we're going to also need polyfill, which is the stuffing. Now grab your supplies, get comfy, and let's start crocheting. Okay guys, let's put our black yarn on the side. First, we're going to start nice and easy with a magic ring. Take your yellow yarn, wrap it around your fingers, and then we're going to put 6 single crochets into the ring. Don't worry, it feels a little tricky at first. Just take your time and pull it tight when you're done. Now, next round, we're going to increase in every stitch. That means we just do 2 single crochets in each stitch from the round before. By the end of this round, you should have 12 stitches total. We're going to start shaping the body. For this next round, we're going to do a simple pattern. 1 single crochet, then you do 1 increase. We're going to repeat that all the way around. This helps the circle grow evenly without getting lopsided. After you're done with your 3rd row, we're going to do 3 full rounds of just single crochets in yellow. No increases, no changes, just 1 crochet in each stitch all the way around. This keeps the shape nice and smooth. You're doing amazing if you've made it this far. Even if it feels a little repetitive, this part is really important because it helps your bee start to take shape. Just keep going 1 stitch at a time. You're building something really cute. And it's all coming together step by step. Don't rush it. You've got this. Buzz. but stop right before the final yarn over. Then grab your new color, which is black, and put it on your hook, then pull it through to complete the stitch. And that's how you attach the new yarn. Now you're going to pull this yellow yarn, the one that was connecting. So this little line is secured the black yarn. Now we're going to continue with 2 rounds with black. Then we switch back to yellow for 2 rounds and then do the exact same thing, just 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. After that, we go back to black again for 2 rounds and then yellow again. We're just alternating colors to create those cute bee strips, and don't worry if it feels repetitive, that's actually what makes it look really neat and consistent in the end. Now we're gonna do the yellow all the way around for 2 more rounds and then turn to black. As you keep going, you'll start to see the bee really coming together, and it gets more exciting with each round. The strips are what gives it the classic bee look, so even if it feels simple, it's doing a lot of work in the design. Just keep going, 1 round at a time, and don't rush it. Crochet always looks better when you stay steady and patient. Alright, now we're gonna switch back to the yellow. And now, so we have yellow over here, we have black, we have yellow, we have black. We only need 1 more round of yellow, and then we close it with the black. And then we'll do the wings, of course. Now we're going to switch it to the yellow. We'll get the yellow yarn over, and pull it. We'll do 2 rounds of yellow, and then we'll do the rest with black, and then we'll close it. This is honestly one of the most satisfying parts because you can finally see your project turning into something real. You're almost halfway there, and it's going to turn out so adorable. Keep going, you're doing amazing, and your little bee is really starting to come to life. We're going to start closing the body. Change our yarn to black, and then we're going to cut the yellow yarn off because we're not going to use it anymore. Now we're going to get to the last black round. We're going to start closing the body. You'll be single crocheting and then decreasing for the whole entire round. This means we'll just be decreasing to bring the top together. So instead of increasing, you'll do simple decreasing. Take your time with these because this is what shapes the bee and makes it look nice and finished. Before it closes all the way, don't forget to add your stuffing and the eyes. Now, once you're done with your increase-decrease round of black, we're going to take out the eyes and we're going to use these small eyes to put on the bee. And then we'll take the back of the eyes. 1 and 2. Now we're just going to make a big thing like that. And then you'll put your eyes wherever you want and feel comfortable with. Now this is where you're supposed to put the eyes and then put these on too. Now we are going to put the stuffing. We're going to take some stuffing and then put it inside of the bee. When you put your polyfill in, check your bee, squish it up, and then look at it and see, it looks cute. And now we're just going to do increase and then decrease all the way until you close the circle. Now keep going until your decreases get smaller and smaller. Once it's almost closed, you can cut your yarn off and then we'll sew the hole. We'll take our needle and then we'll put it through the yarn and then sew it through each of these decreases. Now once you're done with your yarn, we're gonna just cut it. We're gonna cut it and then we'll put it inside, dust it off, and now you have your bee, the body. You have the body. Now we're gonna make the wings of the bee. For each wing, we will start with a magic ring and put 7 single crochets into it. And then the next round increases in, we're going to do increase in every stitch, so you end up with 14 stitches in total. Now we'll start with the magic ring. And then we'll do 7 single crochets inside of the ring. 2, 3, and then 7. Now we'll make a slip stitch, and then we'll crochet 2, and then we'll do increase in every one of the single crochets. Now once you're done with your wing, the first wing, we're just gonna do that and then put it on the side and do the next one. Now when you finish with your last wing, we're gonna take our bee and our needle, and then we're gonna place them onto the bee. We're gonna use the eyes, and then we're gonna put them right here. And then we'll leave it. And then we'll take our other wing, and then we'll put it on top. Now when you're done placing the wings onto the bee, you'll just dust it off to see, and then I'll do that. And then now that's it. You've just finished your crochet bee. Take a second to look at it, fix any little details, and be proud of yourself. You started with just yarn, and now you made something completely of your own. If you enjoyed making this with me and want to see more cute, easy crochet tutorials, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow and lets me know you want more videos like this. And I'd love to see your bees too. So feel free to share them or tell me how yours turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.